Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to pin YouTube as an app on Windows 11. So, if you're tired of opening your browser every single time to watch YouTube, here's a quicker setup that makes YouTube work like a real desktop app on Windows. So, once you do this, you'll be able to launch YouTube straight from your taskbar, desktop, or start menu with one click. So, first, open any browser. So, for example, mine here, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So once you open the browser, go to youtube.com. Now, once you're on the main page, what you need to do is to click on the three dots at the top right. Now, scroll down and look for more tools or apps. Once you go to more tools, look for apps and hover over that. Once you do that, hit install YouTube, and Windows will instantly add YouTube as its own app. Now, next, if you're using Chrome, so I'm gonna open Chrome right here. Now, once you open the browser, go to youtube.com. Now, if you're in the main page, click the three dots at the top right. Scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share. Click on Install YouTube. You can also create shortcut, but we're going to click Install YouTube first. A pop-up will appear. Click on Install to confirm, and YouTube will be installed right away to your computer. So you can pin it to your taskbar. So just right click on it and click pin to taskbar. Or you can also go to start menu, search for YouTube, and open it like a regular app. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.